They say there are mites on a clean bed. Is that really the case? Today we're going to collect some crumbs from the sheets. Use a microscope to see if we can spot mites. Cover the collected debris with cover slip. Let's zoom in 40 times to find it. It's all dander and fiber shavings in the picture. And some dust particles. Keep moving on the pic. This looks like a mite. Zoom in 100 times. Sure enough, it's a mite. A lot of hair on the butt. Legs are also long, but it doesn't look like dust mites. I don't know what kind of mite it is. He wouldn't budge. It should be dead. Keep looking. Switch to low magnification. It's easier to find with a wide field of view. Found a living one. Magnify 100 times. Still not clear enough. Continue to magnify for 100 times. The mite's leg is pinned down by the cover slip and it's struggling. I found a lot of pictures of mites, but I can't find the same as this one. If you know this mite, please let me know in the comment area. Thank you very much. At the end of the video, let's use the electronic eye beast to observe its local features. This is approximately an equivalent magnification of 1,600 times. Today's journey of exploration of the microscopic world ends here. If you are interested in microvision, you can follow me. Let's explore the mysteries of the microscopic world together.